to get the volume of this pyramid, we have to do 1 over 3 times the area of the base times the height of this whole pyramid. So remember, the area of the base, in this case we have the base being a triangle. So we have the height, which is the line down right here, and we also have the breadth, which is the line over here. So to get the area first of the base, we have to do half times the height, which is 7, times the breadth, which was 8. And so half times 7 times 8, and if we put that in a calculator, we get that as 28 centimeters squared. So that was our area of just the base itself. But remember, we have to get the volume, we have to do 1 over 3 times the area of the base, which is 28 centimeters squared. But also have to times it by the height of the pyramid. In this case, the height of the pyramid is this line right here, which is 11 centimeters. So now you just have to put all that in your calculator and you'll get the actual result. So 1 over 3 times 28 times 11, and that is 102.7. Remember, it's cubic centimeters because square centimeters times centimeters is cubic centimeters. So in this case, for this pyramid, our volume is 102.7 square centimeters. To get the volume of this pyramid, remember, we just have to do 1/3 times area of base times the height. In this case, the area of the base is going to be a triangle, so the shaded area down here. And we know the height, so the area of a triangle is half times the height. The height is this line right there, which is 80 millimeters. And then the actual base will be this line right here, which will be 32 millimeters. So we have to get the area first, so you can put that in your calculator. So area equals half times 80 times 32, and that would be 1,280 millimeters. That's going to be the area of your actual base, but remember, to get the volume we have to do a bit more. So volume formula was 1/3 times the area of the base, and we said the area of the base was 1,280 millimeters squared, and also we need to times it now by the height, so it says by the height. The height of this actual pyramid was this line right here, which is 65 millimeters. So just have 1/3 times 1,280 times 65, and that's going to be a pretty big number because it's in millimeters. So it's going to be, our volume of this whole is going to be 27,733 millimeters, cubic millimeters, right? Because that would have been square millimeters times millimeters would be cubic millimeters. So this is our result for this question. To get the volume of this pyramid, remember we have to do 1 over 3 times the area of the base times the height. In this case, we want to make sure we get the area of the base first. In this case, that was this triangle. So the area of a triangle is half times base, which will in this case be this line right here. That's 1.4 times the height, which in this case would be the line right here at the right angle. So that's going to be 0.9. So put all in our calculator. So our area of that triangle is half times 1.4 times 0.9, which is going to be 0.63 square centimeters. Remember, we're not finished. We're trying to get the volume. So volume would be 1/3 times 63 square centimeters, because that's the actual, 0.63 square centimeters, because that's the actual area of the triangle. But then we have to also times it by the height. In this case, the height is this value right here. So that's the height of the pyramid. So it's 1.5 centimeters. So we put all that in our calculator. What we'll end up getting is this value right here. So the volume is 0.315 cubic centimeters. This is our volume for this pyramid right there.